Budapest is one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. With so many places to visit in Budapest, it has become one of the most traveled destinations in the world. A city with a tumultuous past, Budapest is known for its ornate architecture and rich history. The city is full of enchanting surprises and wonders. This is one place where you won't get bored of sightseeing or exploring. At the end of this video, we will share some tips for you about famous foods and best time to visit Budapest. Must watch this video till the end. Buda Castle. Buda Castle overlooks the city from its elevated position from the Castle Hill. Spread over an area of 4.3 km square, the gargantuan palace is an interesting conglomeration of Roman, Gothic, and Baroque architectures, which were implicated by different rulers in the different centuries. In the night, the castle is spectacularly illuminated, making it one of the most beautiful Budapest attractions. The UNESCO Heritage Site houses Hungarian National Gallery and Budapest Historical Museum. The beautiful courtyards of the castle are open 24 hours a day. National Gallery and Budapest History Museum opening hours, Tuesday to Sunday 10 a.m. to 06 p.m. Gellert Hill. In case you want to enjoy the best panoramas of Budapest and Danube River, there is no better place than Gellert Hill. A gemstone of Budapest, the hill rises above skyline of Buda, providing with spectacular bird's-eye views of the historical city. It is also an important historical point, which saw actions during the World War. The hill dates back to as old as 1046, when a saint named Gellert was thrown to death from this very hill. The Gellert Hill Cave and the skyline make it one of the must places to visit in Budapest. Parliament Building. Hungarian Parliament Building is worth a visit while you are traveling in Budapest. The colossal structure stands erect on the sides of Cobble Street of Budapest. It is one of the popular tourist places in Budapest, receiving a huge footfall from the tourists. On the days when the Parliament not in session, a 45 minutes guided tour can be taken inside the third largest parliament in the world. The hexagon Central Hall and Holy Crown of Jewel are some of the highlights of the parliament. Timings 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Matthias Church. Another beautiful architecture in the heart of Budapest, Matthias Church dates back to as old as 1014. Later renovated to Baroque style, the interiors of the church is adorned with the coronation of King Charles I of Hungary in 1309, and the coronation of Emperor Franz Joseph I of Austria and his consort Elizabeth Sissi as rulers of Hungary. Anyone who has a love for architecture and detailing will fall in love with the ornate frescoes inside the church. Timings 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Heroes Square. The hip and happening square is one of the iconic places to visit in Budapest. The square is flanked with Millennium Monument, a tall statue of Archangel Gabriel, and a group of bronze horsemen, which represent the conquering of Magyar Prince. On the right of the square, you will find Museum of Fine Arts, and on the right is the Hall of Art. The Hungary's World Heritage Site looks different yet equally spectacular in both day and night. Now the time to share the best tips for our lovely subscribers who watch this video till end. The best month to visit Budapest. While spring and fall are generally the best seasons to visit Budapest, given the pleasant and mild weather with occasional rain, the months from April to May and September to October are most ideal. When you visit the Budapest, must try to taste the famous foods of Budapest. Some of the famous foods are Langush, Budapest's tastiest street food snack; Gulyás, national dish; Ricotta crumpli, tasty comfort food made from layered potatoes; pork-cold, goulash like meat stew. If you like our video and tips, let us know in comment section. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting places.